Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F14 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Advanced Features. In them, scroll down again and click on Dual Messenger. Finally, click on the sweater next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. In order to continue, hit Install in the pop-up and wait. You can also click on this sweater next to your separate contact list if you wish to enable it. So when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your cloned app, go into the same settings and tap on the same No Blue sweater. Lastly, select Uninstall in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!